Whoa, did someone call for the coolest biker in the jungle?
Yeah!
Oh, wait, it's me, Bobo. Hi, friends. Today's going to be a really fun day because I've got a surprise for you. But first, let me show you a video about the awesome boys. One of them is putting together a super cool bike to surprise his little brother. Ready, friends? Let's roll the tape.
So whose bike is this? And what is this? It's a bike? Who's it? It's Zane. So while Zane is sleeping, we're gonna build this. We're gonna assemble his bike. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's do it together. I need your help. Yeah. Good job. Okay, mommy help you. What's this one? Yeah, good job, Rayan.
Blue.
Can you guess what part is that? Yeah, good job. It's to sit down on. Good. So that's the first step, Rayan. We have to put this part, find this part. Where is it? There it is. That's the front. Yeah. Good job.
Wow!
It goes like this.
Wow!
Wow!
Oh.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you. Go. 1, 2, 3.
Wow! Good job.
Okay.
This one go.
President.
What other stickers you want?
President.
Okay. Four stickers? Good job.
Wow. How many
Come.
Zane has?
Zane has only 3. Rayan, do you think we should hide the bike? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's hide it.
Oh boy, I love surprises. Do you think the little one will like his bike? Let's find out at the end of this video. Okay, friends, while we wait to see their reaction, I'm going to show you why biking is the best thing ever. Let's hit the trail. Check me out, king of the jungle, in the bike lane. Oops. Almost turned into a mud monkey there. But hey, biking keeps you sharp and focused. Oh! Woohoo!
Oh no!
Hey bike, why didn't you tell me? This was a bad idea. Did you know biking is super healthy? It's great for your legs, your heart, and even your brain. Benefits of biking: strong muscles, better mood, earth-friendly. And don't forget, friends, always wear your helmet. Safety first, bananas second. Phew, biking makes you thirsty. That's why you've gotta stay hydrated. Look, I can balance my snack on my head.
Awesome!
Look, no hands. Just kidding. Don't try that at home. Hey, get your own snack.
Look, Zane woke up.
Give him a surprise. Yeah, what's the surprise? Zen bike. Yeah.
Wow. Is it?
Wow. Big surprise.
Wow.
Wow. Ryan.
Okay.
Zane, do you like your new bike?
Hi.
Sweet.
Good.
What colors do you see in Zane's jacket?
Blue. Orange. Brown. Perfect.
Who's gonna win this time?
Green one
Who's gonna
and green one.
green one or the blue one?
A blue one.
Blue one. Okay, let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah, who's fast? Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah! There is it! Okay, now Ryan's turn.
Okay.
Find Zane. Okay. Wait, there is Ryan. What are you doing?
I'm Kitri.
You're taping your cycle?
Yes.
Wow. Good job. You're decorating it. Do you want Papa to put some light on it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Woohoo!
Can you share your banana bread with Papa? Yeah? Okay. Oh. Yummy, yummy. Wow, yummy, yummy.
Oh, wasn't that the best? Bikes bring everyone together. Well, friends, I had a really good time today. Remember, biking is fun, healthy, and a great way to explore. So grab your helmet, stay hydrated, and keep pedaling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your favorite biking buddy. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.